This Water Pulse nasal lavage bottle is the one I got. This is the box. Here I'm unboxing it, and I have the two nozzles. One is for a child, one is for an adult. Here I'm unboxing the bottle. This is a valve that you can use to empty the bottle with. I'm gonna do a quick assembly and put them together now. These are the two nozzles, one for a child, one is for an adult. I thought it was a valve, but it's not a valve. It is just the nozzle that is used. All right, and this is how the bottle looks. Well, that's how you're supposed to operate it upside down. Fine. Right, and the side of the box just shows you how you're supposed to operate it upside down. Fine. Oh, and this is my favorite thing about it, the little packets of salt that you should pour in the 300 mils of water, which will form normal saline. Love that. All right, so here I am putting water to boil so I can sanitize my bottles. That's exactly what I did, and I used distilled water, which is a water just from a water bottle really, and I ensured that it was room temperature. Added my salt, and I poured my water in, covered it of course, and yeah, I proceeded to use it. So here I placed the bottle upside down, and this is gonna not be a cute video. Then I squeeze it into my nostril. This is my right nostril, and I am breathing through my mouth, and I'm leaning over, and I'm leaning forward. So let me go again. Squeezing in the water, leaning forward and breathing in, taking deep breaths in my mouth. There it is, coming from the other nostril, right? Not the same nostril that I placed it into, but the other one, because it went around into my sinuses. So I'm gonna just repeat the same thing with the next nostril. There I go, placing in the water. It's supposed to come through my, right, the other nostril. See, I'm pushing it in through one, and it's not going in the back of my throat because I'm breathing in my mouth and I'm leaning over. When you lean forward, it doesn't go to the back of your throat. Now, you don't have to use one of these bottles. I got this bottle off Amazon, and I'm going to put the description below. But you can use a syringe, right? This is a 30 ml syringe, simple 30 ml syringe, and it's one of the Lurolox tip. Fine. And I'm just going to use the water that I already made. Just going to use the concoction. As you can see, I didn't use a lot. I didn't use a lot of that water, even though I fill it up to 300 ml. Fine. So I'm just going to put approximately 30 mils, a little bit over 30 mils. And I'm going to use the syringe so that you can see that I can use something else. It doesn't have to be that bottle. There it's coming from my other nostril. And I do the other nostril. Everything feels so clear and so good now. Yeah.